Well, today we are going to do a simple job. Replace rear pads in the 06 Nissan Primacy. It's the same shit as a Viver or whatever. Same shit. Let's do it. Aaron. Where's the thing to push the caliper in the piston? I don't know if I need this in this one, but just in case. So basically, remove this one and this one. Easy enough. We need to retrieve the piston as well. So, flathead screwdriver. So basically, you need a special toolkit to do this, and it's a thing like this, basically. Now we have to find the correct fitting. Not this one, but this one.
Sorry, there.
Ah, you go ahead. So you've been here all day long?
Since 12 o'clock.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah. No. Oh, you're still not done. I'm literally
That's it. Easy enough. Remove the two bolts. Retrieve the piston. Install the two bolts. As simple as this. Next one, bottom one. This one was completely in limit. So this is blocked. It's blocked now, it's ceased. was seized. That's why the pad was like this, completely fucked in only one side. This side wasn't too good, but this was a problem. So let's try with a little bit of crop grease. Way better. As well. Now we clean this. It's new bolts. So it's finished. So we do it. Easy enough. This job is like a 3 out of 10. It's easy. If you have any doubts, contact me, send me a text, follow me, subscribe, everything. Go to my buy me a tire, something like that. Hope you enjoy it. See you soon.